Hello everyone, my name's Dave, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install SDL Mixer. At this point I'm assuming that you already have Visual Studio and SDL installed. If not, I already have another video that explains how to do that, which you should watch first. The first thing we're going to do is download SDL Mixer. So just type the following link into your web browser, or go to your favorite search engine and type in SDL Mixer, and one of the first few links should either lead you to this page or something very similar if a newer version is available. From there, what you want to do is look for and click on the link to download the latest version, which at the time of this recording is this link to GitHub. Then look under Assets for the one that contains VC, which means it's for Visual Studio. And just as a side note, if you already happen to program in C++ and are deciding to use a different compiler, then you're either going to have to download a different one if it's available for your compiler. So for example, there's one for MinGW here, or alternatively, you're going to have to build it from the source code below. But you're going to have to do that on your own because that's out of scope for this video. So now that we've downloaded SDL Mixer, we're going to have to install it. I'm just going to open the zip here, click the arrow, click open, and I'm just going to close the web browser because we don't need it anymore. What I've also got open here is a folder that contains a Visual Studio project that was set up using the instructions from the previous video I made, which I mentioned earlier. It's the one about how to install Visual Studio and SDL2. For this example, we'll use my retro first-person shooter game, but of course this will work for any project. I'm going to open the Projects Include folder and create a new folder called SDL2_Mixer. Then I'm going to open the include folder from the SDL Mixer zip that we just downloaded and copy the header file over. Next, I'm going to open the projects lib folder. Then I'm going to open the lib folder from the SDL Mixer zip and copy the SDL2_mixer.lib file over. Then I'm going to click back on the project folder and then copy the SDL2_mixer.dll file from the SDL Mixer zip to the project folder. Then I'm going to go to the optional folder and copy over the lib-ogg-0.dll file as well. Okay, everything looks good here now, so I'm going to open the Visual Studio project by double-clicking it. I'm going to right-click on the project, then go to Properties. And like in the previous video, make sure that the configuration is set to All Configurations, and the platform is set to x64. Then go to VC++ Directories, Include Directories, and when you click on it, this arrow will appear. So click on that, click Edit. I'm going to click New Line, and I'm going to add something similar to the line that's currently there. $, open bracket, project dir, close bracket, include /SDL2. Just as a side note, the reason why we need to add this line is because in the previous video, we moved all of SDL2's headers into a folder that we created called SDL2 for cleanliness. However, SDL Mixer expects an include path that contains all the headers directly without the folder, which is of course what's found in include/SDL2. Next, click OK. Now we're going to go to the linker, click on Input, then Additional Dependencies, Edit. I'm going to paste another line here, SDL, all capital letters, 2, _ mixer.lib. Just make sure it matches exactly what you see here. Then click OK. Everything should be good here, so I'm just going to click OK again. What I'm going to do next is build the program. Nice, you can see that's working. I'm just going to quickly test the sound by firing a projectile. Nice, everything's working. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.